This is going to be a JDiction ResinCrete tutorial in our Eco Resin border tray mold. You see it right there with its wonderful border edges. For this, I'm going to be using Deadly Nightshade and Mirror. It's chunky holographic glitter from the glitter guy, and there's the ResinCrete. And I found putting glass and mica powders in this doesn't work so well. They tend to disappear, and I don't want to do a lot of sanding. And I found using this chunky holographic glitter, the perfect amount of it lasts and comes through. You get little pockets, so it looks intentional. The only thing I have to get out of there is in the outside edge, that's the edge of the tray, so I will be pulling the glitter out of there. I just get so excited when I'm pouring glitter. I've never really been a glitter person, but I think the glitter looks great in this ResinCrete, the Eco Resin. There I'll have to get a pair of tweezers to pull out that piece of glitter. And I actually did this, I'm going to show at the end, I did it with purple coloring as well, but in that one I dumped glitter all over the place. I was going to put it in as a laugh track, but I kept it out. But there I'm just sprinkling the different sizes of glitter, and I'm mixing up 300 grams of ResinCrete to 90 grams of water. And I'll just mix it really fast there so I don't bore you with the mixing. It does take about 2 minutes to get it completely smooth. And this is a very watery mixture. It's not very thick. I think I do end up changing spoons there. There we go. It's a longer spoon to help me get it going. And I love ResinCrete because it sets up so fast, like 30 minutes, and you can pull it out. And you always know when it's done because the edges pull away from the mold. And I'm just pouring it on the base there. And I've done a bunch of these trays, some of the half moon shapes with the different colors. You just really can't get deep, deep colors, or the colors you can get deep, I don't want, like red or yellow. I love purples and pinks and blues and sometimes greens. So I figured I would see how this looked with just the base color, which is a white. White doesn't photograph very easily. And there you just want to tap the edges to get rid of any air bubbles. And then it's time to demold 30 minutes later. And it comes right out easily. See how pretty that glitter is? And it doesn't matter if it's in that little trough area because we're going to be filling that with more glitter. In the past on this tray, my previous videos, I've used glass to fill the edges, but here I mixed up 2 ounces of resin and poured a bunch of glitter in there to make it really thick, and then I'm just going along the edge. And what's cool is you can create a tray that actually looks finished. It's not just a flat piece of eco resin or a flat piece of resin. The border tray actually, or the border tray molds, we have this for eco resin and in glossy shapes, lets you finish off the piece and just let it pop. So you can put glass, you can put glitter, you can put stones, you can put anything you want in there. You can put peanuts in there if you wanted to. And there I'm just filling it up and using a little toothpick to go on the edges. I did mix up 2 ounces. You don't need the full 2 ounces. I was able to do a ring cone or something else with it. So it's probably about 1.5 ounces of resin maybe to fill the outside there. And that takes about a day. If I used fast cure resin, I just mixed up JDiction high gloss resin for that. And there's the finished piece the next day. You can see how shiny. It's the same glitter on the outside. It just makes the piece pop, the holographic chunky mixed glitter. So if you like glitter, you'll enjoy doing these trays. And I'm going to pop in a little bit of the purple one here just so you can see. It had a little bit less glitter on the front, but it's just a pale purple. So it just depends what you prefer, a little bit of color or no color at all. Each one looks great in our Eco Resin border tray mold. If you want to try out ResinCrete for yourself, use our 10% off coupon below, which is good at JDictionCraft.com.